I feel real good this evening, and I like to say I feel good for one reason, that we're all here together.
You know, y'all, music that you could just chill to, be cool, always bringing a little bit of
make you feel good, feel good.
You know what I'm saying? It's like when the night on Sunday afternoons, barbecue all y'all. Bringing it, everybody. Cause I walk in a straight line. How long till I'm gone? Flaring, don't care for a stress hit, dog. I'm in the heat, get my flesh, chronic in my chest. I played in my Teflon vest, relieve stress. I need a shelter, it's boat, a fly ass hoe. I'm known to rock show and go like Jimbo. Chew shrooms, rock coons, wolf howl at full moons. If I'm sad, sing blues, brings life to dead rooms. Eyes burnt, their heads turned with fear. These three motherfuckers came to rock right here. It's like that, for cholos, Fugees, and hood rats. Bring back this big weather, so what's that? Feel good, make you feel real good. Bringing love from the hood, came to make you feel good, make you feel real good. Bringing love from the hood, came to make you feel good, make you feel real good. Bringing love from the hood, came to make you feel good, make you feel real good. Bringing love from the hood.
You ain't posing no kind of threat, not in the least bit. I got that flow locked down, just like a Brinks kid. You under you critical. It's that imperial, the mad diabolical. With a Spanish flow, I'm hitting them, squaring the chest with 50 caliber lyrics. I'm getting louder than loud, guaranteed that they hear it. Putting back in the zone, holding my own. Shifty, so I'll never be cloned. But chalk in the bone, my lyrics that be harder than porno. I make you lose control like Sonny Bono. Then I'm breaking up your band like Yoko Ono. And in case you didn't know, well now you do know. We getting sicker than these chicks with dicks. Fuck your chicks. You talk about these clips you grip, that ain't shit. Don't fly with me up high like Robert Downey. If the pit gets rowdy, it's a DH party. Come on.
Came to make you feel good, make you feel real good. Bringing love from the hood, came to make you feel good, make you feel real good. Bringing love from the hood, came to make you feel good, make you feel real good. Bringing love from the hood, came to make you feel good, make you feel real good. Bringing love from the hood.
But I want it for the feet, so of course you can dance.
But it I think too much for rooftops that go get pops. Skin tight chonies and pants, run them now guys. Rock like thunder, steel drums and congas. DJ spin DH track the bomba. Esta mucho bala without a fly. Trompetas, drums and a hardcore to draw. It's a fiesta. Hands up at the hood, I got you feeling like you in need of an almighty healing. Cause we bring flash in Kansas City nights. We'd rather puff and play than start fights. We hang with 6 hot psychos, that's right. And it gon' be alright.
Alright, so in essence, my presence is felt through city blocks. Irritating cops, crushing bones like karate chops. Make it right hot, flip the switch and don't quit. Down with a cycle from a side that's so sick. DH will get you lit up, loose lips will get you hit up. Roundhouse, fuck around, blood is what you spit up. I'd rather make you feel good, love from the hood. Real good like you know you should.